What is up, y'all? JT, Resident Dog Fishing, back with you on a quick little fix-it video. So what I've got, my fishing pliers, my good old trusty Offshore Angler Bass Pro Shop brand fishing pliers. I've had these for probably 3 years now, I want to say, and they've wore out to the point where 10-pound mono, it won't even cut 10-pound mono. I gotta clip it and pull it. So I'm gonna see if those can be fixed with a set of these. Let's do it. It's pretty self-explanatory, but to change out the cutting edges, you got two little hex screws right there on the edge. So you'll use the included Allen key that comes with the kit that fits the Bass Pro Shop version and the original Danco pliers. So pull those two screws out, and there's one cutting bit and 3 flat edges, if you will, that I'm assuming are a little bit longer, because the instructions on the back tell you to start with number 1. If that doesn't work, go to number 2. If that doesn't work, go to number 3. But it's stripped. So we're gonna have to get a little. So these are so old. That'll work. Get a bit to get the old screws out. There we go. I need to hold on to it a little bit, huh? There we go. There we go. So we got two new screws. Yeah, so we got a block and a cutter. Well, they look like they fit anyway. The screws fit in there. Be nice to have a backup set of pliers anyway. Try not to strip these out. So I ended up using number 2, and we'll do a little comparison here. Old pliers versus new. Use the old pliers with the new cutters. We got 10-pound mono. Boom. Boom. Nice and easy. Use a brand new set. 10-pound mono. If I can get it in there, I can't even see it. They cut just about the same. Now, let's step it up a little bit. Not everybody uses mono. Here we got some 15-pound braid. Old pliers, new cutter. Oh, got to get it in the cutter. That was easy. New pliers. About the same. Take it up one more notch. Got a little 60-pound braid. Got to get them in the cutters. Keep putting them in too deep. That cut's pretty easy. New ones. say these old trusty pliers with the new cutting bits are just as good as new. So there we go. If you've got an old set of the Bass Pro Shop pliers with replaceable cutting faces on them, the Danco replacement bits will fit and they work just as good. Got a boat project coming up this weekend. I had a light go out of my boat. I'm not gonna let that happen. I gotta fix it. Plus one of my live wells isn't working. We're gonna get into that this weekend, replacing a live well pump and one of the live well lights on the Robalo Cayman 226. Smash that like and subscribe button so you don't miss it, and I will see you on the water.